back. So today we're going to be doing a makeup routine. This is Nicole here and my awesome friend. So do you want to explain your dye-free situation?
Yeah, so I have a really bad allergy to any artificial food colorings, any artificial dyes. I end up getting really sick and in the hospital, which is fun.
So basically the brands that she can have is e.l.f. and what other brands?
I can have e.l.f., I can have some Tarte products, Burt's Bees, I feel like there's a few others, but they're not coming to my mind at the moment.
So that's what she can have. I actually have a bunch of e.l.f. products, which is amazing, and I'll be showing you today. Pretty much all I have now is my mascara.
Same, yeah.
So we're just gonna be doing eyeshadow, eyeliner, and
maybe highlight
and brows. So
nice.
that's my favorite part. All right. Okay, so we're going to be working on eyeshadow first. So, this one, okay, what is it called? Brown Bonza. Read it, please.
Brown Bonanza.
Brown Bonanza. Pretty awesome. I've literally had this for, it feels like I've had this little eyeshadow thing for forever. I've used it for multiple proms, for ballrooms, for dancing, everything, and it has not run out. So I'm like, for sure promoting this thing. It's so amazing. So, are you going to use this? What are you going to use?
I'll probably just couple off this one.
Okay. Secondly, this one is called Mad for Matte Eyeshadow Palette. It's pretty amazing too. Only problem I see with it is that if I ever put a primer on, it smears when I use this. But with this, it never does. Okay.
Cool.
So, back to where we are. I use the lighter color first. Usually around what's this part called?
The corner of your eye.
The corner of your eye, because it gives you this dewy glow. It's like the best. So I usually do that.
I'm having trouble deciding which one to start with. Maybe this one. I think I like this color.
Yeah.
This color here.
Yeah.
Gonna use that one.
Yeah. I've tried different blues and greens and stuff like that. Even one time someone put a really Wamba blue all over my eyelid. I don't know. Anyway, it was horrible. I looked terrible, and it was chew all over my face. I was like,
my mom does the eyeshadow all the time, blue.
Really?
I don't understand how she makes it look good. I can't do it.
It's funny. Yeah. So, honestly, it's just basically spraying it over your eye and, I'll actually explain this. I do this near the corner of my eye because it kind of brings out, I honestly have no idea. It just looks good, okay?
Then do it. It looks good. Just do it.
And then I spread it out. Usually when I have all the colors there, I usually spread it out with the blending brush. Like that.
Oh, and blend it out. See?
Yeah. Usually do that. And it mutes it too, but it's a nice muted
almost
tone.
A faded kind of thing,
yeah,
right?
And a lot of people comment to me you have such a nice makeup, makeup, wow, what'd you do? It happens. So.
Well, you're just awesome.
You're playing.
No.
But really, it's just this blending brush. It's Mary Kay, I think.
Oh, I love Mary Kay.
I think it's Sephora.
Sephora's good too.
This one's really good.
And they're not too expensive, honestly.
Yeah.
You can go to the store and get this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. I pretty much do the same thing with my eyeshadow too. I start with a base color, get the lighter base color, go over, and then I put the darker in this corner, and then do another lighter color in this.
That's nice.
Crease there.
Okay. So, wait. Oh, right. I forgot. Whoopsies. Okay, so basically, I've almost finished with my eyeshadow. I just use a little bit more on blending it.
Yeah, and then I'm going to take this color here, and I'm going to put it in in the outer corner of my eye, because it looks good that way.
Yeah, because obviously we both have different skin tones. It's gonna
look different on everybody.
Basically. Yeah. So you just really want to know your skin tone. I forget what I am. I don't know. I get tan easy and I burn easy, so maybe that'll help.
I only burn. That's all I ever do. I I burn, and then I get freckles. It's weird to say, but it's true.
Oh my gosh. I always love in the summer we get a lot of freckles.
Oh, yes.
It's like the sun just is like, oh yeah.
Yes, but no tan.
Yeah, one time I came home from the beach with my family and I was the only burnt one.
Yeah. Well,
And
but then you
tan
tan
one.
though, underneath of it. Like
And
you
then I
burn
tan.
and you tan. It's not
And then
fair.
I was the only tan one. It's funny.
It's not fair. It's really like you were tan for prom though.
I was
I was pasty. Should we do eyeliner brush?
I like
Okay.
yeah. Cool beans. So is that
Sweet.
it? Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, that is it. Thank you for watching. For
Yes.
get ready with us and all that jazz. Capiche, people.
Bye.
Shout out to
MC
Films. She does.
Yeah, I do like motivational videos for different things, like military, police, things like that. So
Yeah,
if you're
pretty
interested,
awesome. Okay.
check it out.
Exactly.